got another trellis design that we want to share with you all, and this one is more of a vertical narrow design. What we did to start out with was we placed one pole at the end of our bed, and then we laid another pole just to know how long we can take that trellis. And so we basically built a straight square frame, and then within that we measured the length of that. Now our poles measured about 80 inches. So we marked off about 16 inches. We then marked it both on the ground and on our pole up at the top. And then we just simply placed poles, bamboo poles, from one point to the other point. So you can see we've got them on a diagonal going from point A to point B, and from point B to point C, and so on and so forth. Then we came back and did the same thing on the opposite side. So by doing it on both sides, it kind of allowed a little more strength and stability within our frame. You can see this is very narrow, so it works in a lot of garden situations. Now, for vegetables, you might look at growing cucumbers or peas or things like that that really want to vine up and allow that fruit to hang. So that works well for this. You could also use it for tomatoes if you wanted to. Another thing that you could do with this is use it in an ornamental situation. A lot of times we have annual vines that we just want to grow, such as cardinal vine or scarlet runner bean or something like that, and this works great for that. You could even put it right in a small narrow bed along a fence or something to again allow coverage of that fence, but without having that stuff cling to your fence and damage your fence. It's pretty ornamental, and it's a neat way to add some architectural interest to your garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.